How to recover deleted files on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily recover files from your Android device. Let's get started. First thing first, you want to go over to your file manager and open it up. Once you open up your file manager, you can just go over to any one of your documents. So let me just go to the Documents tab. And let's say if I just accidentally deleted this, what happens is it's going to move to the recycle bin. It is not going to be deleted right away. So you need to know that most of the phone these days come up with a backup recycle bin where all of your deleted items are stored temporarily up to 7 or 30 days depending on the model of device you have. Now to access your recycle bin, you can easily go ahead and find it down below on the Utilities tab. Just tap on it to open up Recycle Bin. Once your Recycle Bin opens up, as you can see here, these items from My Files, Gallery, and other third-party apps will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So you can easily recover them up to 30 days from here. So to recover that, just long press on it. And then you can find the restore button down below. Tap on that and it will be restored back to where it belongs. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.